Man, it's getting old shit for the birds, man. I'm telling you, bruh. Y'all gotta watch what y'all eat, man. I fucked around and ate some motherfucking cereal this morning. I couldn't even go to work, man. I was stuck on the toilet. I'm like, what the fuck going on? Doctor said I was lactose, so I, I don't know what's going on, man. I can't eat milk, drink milk. I can't eat no dairy products. I can't even enjoy my summer, man. Can't even get ice cream with the kids, man. Kids eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. Then I'm stuck in the bathroom. They still happy playing in the motherfucking water. I'm here fighting for my life. I just got off the toilet.